Hey guys, Heather here from Portland Volvo with a 2021 XC90 T5 Momentum. This is in Onyx black metallic with a charcoal leather interior. We have full LED active bending Thor's hammer headlights and LED fog lights. Very distinct. I love all the chrome on the grille. The 20-inch wheels, nice upgrade on this one. Blind spot information system. Cross traffic alert with auto braking, great when you're pulling out of a busy parking lot. We did a video demonstration on that a couple days ago, so you should check that out. It's pretty funny. This has the climate package, so you get heated seats in the front and in the back. A heated leather wrapped steering wheel, backup camera here, extra set of rubber mats with the protection package. Those are great. They keep your car clean. They're easy to clean, I should say. Very easy to clean, and they fit like a glove. We're about to get a snowstorm, so rubber mats are an ideal feature. So I love these metal inlays in the back. Plenty of room in the back. So on the sides you get the heated seats, and in the center you get the booster seat. And that does pop flat if you don't need it. Phone charging station in the back too. Memory seating for 3. Your seat controls right there. Safety features, part of the IntelliSafe system. Navigation. You can manage the rear climate from here. Also the third row climate. This has pilot assist with adaptive cruise control. So if you see down there, when you're driving and you hit this button here, you won't be able to do it while we're not moving. That'll initiate it, and then if you push to the right, when the green steering wheel pops up, you know that pilot assist has been activated, and that will keep your car in between. You'll be able to release your hands from the wheel. The car will take over, steering, braking, and speeding up, and will keep your car between the lines on the road and at a safe distance between you and the car in front of you. It's a really amazing feature. Wireless phone charging station, cup holders, open glove box from here. That is a cooled glove box. Pretty awesome. So if you're ready to get into your next 7-seat SUV, this is stock number 21122. There's more information at portlandvolvo.com, and we'd be happy to get you into this car today, get you home today. Thanks for watching from Portland Volvo.